Honda has officially launched the third generation HR-V in the Thai market with 3 different versions. In the new generation, HR-V in Thailand will be added with an RS version, and this is also the first time appearing in the world. The modulo accessory pack is still available for further installation with customers who need it. There, HR-V eHEV is offered in 3 types, namely E, EL and RS. The E and EL types are exactly the same as those marketed in Japan, so let's talk about the RS type, which is only available in Thailand, and its significance. Honda HR-V 2021 is a car in the form of a crossover 5-door body structure unibody. The car still emphasizes the lines of the sloping coupe style. The dimensions of the car are 4,385mm long, 1,790mm wide, 1,590mm high and 2,610mm long wheelbase. The weight of the car is 1,407 kg. This is actually the first time we are seeing RS styling on the new HR-V, and the sporty trim adds on a chrome-studded grille with the RS logo, a lower grille with horizontal slats and gloss black lip. Check out the amp-up brake on the red accent line of the lower grille. The gloss black treatment continues on the wheel arches, side skirts and rear bumper. The non-RS car gets silver skid plate style trim at both ends. The sporty range topper rolls an 18-inch twin 5-spoke grey alloys. The exterior color is Ignite Red. That comes with a 2-tone black roof. Reflecting the sport to the next level inside, the interior comes with black leather seats with sporty red stitching, brake pedal and accelerator pedals sport style. The black garland is decorated with red threads and rear luggage compartment partition. The heart of the IMMD system is a naturally aspirated 1.5-litre Atkinson cycle engine with 105 horsepower and 127 Newton meters of torque, available from 4,500 to 5,000 RPM. This E20 ready DOHC iVTEC engine is paired with an eCVT automatic transmission, a lithium-ion battery and 2 motors. Together, we have 131 horsepower and a maximum torque of 253 Newton meters from 0 to 3,500